Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you a very simple way to share your final degree project, your TFG, even if you're running locally on your computer. As you know, when you run your project in localhost, I cannot access it from outside your machine. So today I show you a quick solution to make your project accessible through a public link. We're going to use a tool called Tunnermole. First, open your terminal, then run this command npx tunnel mol and in my case 51 I explain 5173 is my port, my localhost port I'm running. Let me explain this briefly. Npx allows you to run the tool without installing it globally. Tunnermole is the name of the tool, and 5173 in my case is the port where my app is running locally. After running the command, the tool will generate public links. Mm, Let me show you. Mm, you can simply copy the link and send it to me. Mm, and that's it. Using this link, I'll be able to access your web app, see it working, and interact with it in real time, exactly as if were deployed. Now, depending on your stack, you might need to make a small configuration change. For example, in React project using Vite, I had to update the configuration file to allow external access. I show you. In this case, allowedHosts true in Vite that config.ts. This allowed to development server to accept requests coming from the public tunnel, like this. Also, if you are running the backend locally, for example, in my case with Node.js, you might need some additional configuration. Otherwise, you could see errors like fail to fetch or maybe another errors you manage. Also, well, otherwise, no, sorry. Even if it happens, don't worry too much. In most of cases, unless the front end will still be visible and working, which is already very useful for understanding how your applications behaves. Now, an important note about security. This method is safe because the tunnel works only when you open your terminal. Okay, so you are always in control of when your project is successful. Um, and just to make it clear, when you close the terminal, the tunnel immediately stops and the public links stop working as well. Let me see that. Yes. So if you upload the page, you have no resources. No link, doesn't work. Finally, I want to thank you for all the effort you put in your project so far. I really appreciate your work and progress. Also, a special thanks to MidoDev who shared this tool in LinkedIn today. That's where I discovered it, and I found it very useful for this exact use case. Thanks a lot, and I'm looking forward to seeing your projects. Ah, um, sorry, I don't remember one thing. I recommend is that we agree on a specific day and time for you to open the tunnel, preferably in the morning. There's no need for a video call, but I do need you to confirm an approximate time slot, a small time window, so I can access your project while it's running. Thank you so much.